Hi, this is Douglas from CMSoft, and I am going to demonstrate the first beta release of CMSoft's Dynamic Shader software. I'm going to open a picture which contains an outline of a drawing from an object, like an image from a coloring book. So let's suppose we want to shade this image and apply colors to it, but we only want to use some reference colors. So I'm going to set some reference colors for this image. I want this blue here, and to create a shading effect I'm going to use a darker blue for the side, as well as a lighter blue for the other side. Now I'm going to use this lighter blue for the lower part of the bottle and a darker blue. I'm going to use yellow in this part and in this part. Notice that all I have to do is click the color selector and pick the color I want and then draw the color onto the screen. I'm going to pick colors for the upper part of the bottle. Now I'm going to pick a lighter gray, and I'm going to set the outer part of the image to a light yellow. Now what the software does is it's going to use the colors as reference and paint the entire image like this. When I click render and save button, it will create a render of the image. The strokes used to serve as reference for the image get saved in the same folder as the image, and this is our final result for the shading. Notice that we only use some reference strokes. Now if I want to change the colors in this image, all I have to do is choose the color I want to change. Notice that when I hover the mouse over the color, it highlights the color in the scene. So if I wanted a red bottle, I could simply change the blue colors to red colors. And now I'm going to obtain a red colored bottle. This time it's going to render faster because the color influences have already been mapped to the GPU. Now I've changed the color to a red bottle. I can also change the color of the background to gray, and here it's very easy to change colors using the software. If I wanted to delete a color, so for example if I put an orange here, I'll render and decide that it doesn't look good. All I have to do is hover the mouse over the color and right click it to remove it from the scene. Now I can render the object again and I'm back to the original condition. I'm going to demonstrate the shading of the software using a bigger image. So in this case I had already created the strokes, so it's possible to notice the yellowish and reddish and green strokes all over the image. Now the software is going to use these strokes as reference to apply coloring to the image. The palette to the left still shows the strokes, and the progress bar indicates which color is being rendered to the image, as well as the progress of the computation of color influences over the image. We also have a progress bar indicating how many colors have already been applied. And finally, we get our final rendered object. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope you enjoy using Dynamic Shader, which is still in beta version. So all comments and bug reports are very appreciated. Please send them to cmsoft@cmsoft.com.br. Thank you.